Hi guys, welcome back to the shop. I'm working on the shed, but I'm not going to get it done tonight. So I'm going to try and keep the shed into shed part 4, finish it up. So I got to come up with something for tomorrow. So they've had 50% chance of rain tomorrow for 10 days. And it hasn't changed, which is really weird for Missouri. So, as I'm working on the shed, I am piling everything off to the side so that when I get done here, I can push the bug back in. The only thing I don't have out of Dad's truck is the 7/16 OSB. So when I get to a certain point, I gotta stop, drop, and roll. Try and take this whole thing down and stick it to the side and get the bug back in here. Which it's already 8:15, so
Are we doing that tonight?
I am.
We are.
We are.
We're a team, thank you.
Yep. So these are the 4 studs for the front wall all cut. And there's the top board cut and ripped. So I'll try and put that in the other video, but that's what I'm doing. As I am working on the shed, I am starting to clear a spot to push the bug back into the garage for tomorrow. So yeah, alrighty guys. Well, the OSB is out of Dad's truck. Man, I bought way more than I need. I got another 6 sheets of it. 2x4s. Got them pretty much sitting on that stud, so, and they're off the ground. That's off the ground. Tools are off the ground. Scroll saw's off the ground. So I should be able to push patches back in here. I still have to get patches in here and move a dresser in the house. Trying to get ready for the rain coming in. It's only tomorrow. So after tomorrow I can set it all back up again, because the forecast looks dry for in the next 10 days. Tomorrow's the only day it's supposed to rain. So got my hole, move the dog bowl, and move patches back in here. But yeah, I wasn't sure what to do with all that OSB that was in Dad's truck, but she's sitting there pretty good. So let me get the car in here, get Lisa's dresser pushed in here, and see what we got. Alright guys, I gave up for the night and started wrapping everything up. I got a tarp over the top of her. I don't know if that'll do any good, but should keep most of it off. All the OSB is out of Dad's truck. And patches is back in the garage. I've got stuff stacked everywhere. There's Marley. 2x12s are leaning against that post. They're up off the ground. I got all the OSB in here. That's up off the ground. I got some clamps to try and keep it from warping too bad. Those are the front pillars for front posts for the frickin' shed. So yeah. I got tools up off the ground. Everything's off the ground. It's supposed to rain tomorrow. So packed her up. Got the bug in. Got old Patches in the garage. She rolls pretty good. I haven't gotten them brakes apart to clean it all up, so she rolls pretty good. I was really happy that we got her in because I don't know, Lisa has her cushions piled on here. This box is what I've been looking for. It has my cutoff wheels and my wire, my flapper discs and my wire wheels in here. That would have been not good to get all wet. So yeah. She's tucked away, snug as a bug. Alrighty guys, I'll talk to you tomorrow.